Right, hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and I'm back today with another tutorial. Before I get started, I don't say this at all, but please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, consider subscribing if you're already not, and it would be brilliant if you could watch the video in its entirety. It really helps get your sort of channel out there and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you what we're going to make. Now, I'm calling this a corner card. I have no idea if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. So this was the first one I made, and it obviously, as I just shown you there, it does fold completely flat, and it opens up basically into this, and it sits like that, which obviously that's why I'm calling it a corner card. But what I did with this one was I cut the image so it's the same image, and then you've got loads of room to add messages or whatever you want. So that is what we're going to make. It's really easy as well. All you need is a 12 by 12 piece of paper, and I'm going to score it at 6 inches. And I hate this paper because it's cracking really bad, and I think it's because it's too thick. It's 350 GSM, but it's all I've got. And then turn it around, and you're going to score at 4.5 inches and 9 inches. That's it. I've got glitter all over the place. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take some scissors, and I'm going to cut up this smaller piece here, and I'm just going to take a really small little piece out. Just the score line really that you can see. Turn it round, do the same with this one. Just going to take a piece out. So I've took that out of there, so it will fold up like this. Okay, then I used just a corner punch to do the bottoms. You could use a nice fancy border die or something if you have one. Okay, there we go. And then it's really just a case of decorating. So I've got everything ready. Now I'm using this beautiful paper pad. So a few days ago I was lucky to get to meet up with a crafty friend of mine, Margaret, and when we were together she bought me this beautiful paper pad. It comes from the works, and it really is beautiful. So that is what I've used. Everything is from the pad, all the papers and stuff, so You can obviously have them however you want them. So I've done the same with this image again. Well, it's a different image, but I've cut it in half, and I'm going to have that on as the front, and then I'm going to add some more of these beautiful trees that I have. This time I've put glitter on them. So I'm going to have them on the front. Then I've cut paper for inside, the top one, oh, and then the bottom one I need to use the punch for the corners. And I've also cut some more of these. These are from the paper pad again. So I'm going to have images inside, and then I've got little sentiments which will go on the bottom. And we're also going to add something on the back as well. These are all, what do they measure again? The 5 3/4, I believe. Yep, by about 4 1/4, and the last one, the small one, again that'll be 5 3/4, and is it 2 by about 2 7/8. So I'm going to get all these stuck on, and then I will be back when it's all stuck on. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. And then, as I said, it sits like this. Have it on a corner or just together. It's entirely up to you. Now, it's not meant to be like an easel card, but what you can do is, if you've made what I've done, like a little matting layer, when you sit it up, they would actually tuck behind it. See what I mean? So they're not flapping, but that is meant to be the design, that they flap. So it's up to you. But that's the inside done. So the front, as I said, I've got these beautiful trees that I've put glitter on, and I'm going to kind of make my own sort of, you know, little scene type of thing. Just by arranging them like the sort of, you know, sitting on the little snowy background. And you can have them anywhere you want. I might move that along. Have another little one up here. I don't know, something like that. I'll decide better when I come to glue them on. But that's what I'll have. And then what I've also got is a little cut out, these two little deers, which I'm probably going to have them somewhere here. That's the type of thing I'm going for. So I'll put the links to where I get these from, because I have quite a little collection. I've just put on printed die cuts, and I just store them in this. I mean, I've got little robins, but they're too big for this scene. The deers, there's even a bigger tree, flowers and different stuff. So I just cut them all out and I keep them in here. So I'm going to stick these on and I'll be back. Alright, so there we go. Isn't that beautiful? gorgeous. And obviously, as I said, it sits up like this. Now, as I'm saying, I even had a tree left, so I popped it on there. These will hold back with them if you want them to, like that. It's entirely up to you. And then when you put it flat anyway, they will flip back out. But that is the inside, and I just think that is such a pretty card. Again, it's all cracked, this paper, it's horrible. So what I was going to do this time, because on the back you can write messages and stuff, so what I've done is I've cut a bit of card. You could put them on both if you want, and we're going to make a little pocket, and I've just cut some little tags out, and you know, they can sort of slip in there type of thing. So this will be about 5 7/8, and I'll measure the rest in a minute. So I've just put glue on 3 sides, so it's be 5 7/8 by about 2.5 inches. And then I've just got some few little tags here you can put in. So you've got little tags as well. So it really is brilliant. And then the back, we've got one with little tags, and then you've still got room to write a message. So I hope you like it. I hope you'll give it a try. All the info will be on my blog, and I will be back again on Wednesday with another video. So there was this one that I've done now, and the original was really just this kind of same sort of thing. Those were from the paper pad. That was an image from the paper pad. But I'll put a link. I'll put all the links as much as I can. Yeah, so take care and bye for now.